So startups, we look for people who already been there, done that, and wants to take it 10 times better. Okay? We don't really care if you are a professor at something, okay? And again, unless this is a startup right now in biomed or, like a cancer thing, of course, you need to have, degrees, you need to be whatever thing that they are looking for. It's not the same. But if you're looking for someone who is really, like already dealt with AI, knows what to do with LLM and how to treat, like how to make the organization better, faster. And I want from one person, I want each person to become, like at least 3x. I mean, I need him at least to be 3x, especially with the engineering. And so I do not need anyone coming with, certificates. Yeah, I did this Claude course. I did that, I have my science in whatever, like, sure, like, no, thank you. But I'm looking someone with, hands-on and someone who already built some stuff, because eventually experience is the best.